Hello everyone. So in this video, let's understand another important concept called unpacking tuples. Unpacking basically means you're assigning each of the elements within a sequence to independent variables. Let's say we have three variables x, y and z to which we want to assign the three individual elements of this tuple tup. The first one is Python, which is a string. Second one is a list with three numbers 1, 2 and 3. And third one is an integer 25. The way we unpack this tuple is as follows. So we used three new variables to which we want to assign the elements of the tuple x, y and z, and then these three elements are assigned to the sequence tup. So now these are unpacked. Now let's say we print out each of these independent variables. Now if you print out x, you get the string which is Python, and then when you print out y, you get the list at index position 1, which is 1, 2 and 3, and then you can also print out the integer at index position 2, which is assigned to the variable z. So this is how you can access unpack the tuple and assign them to independent variables, and this can be very useful for writing various complicated programs that I'll be showing you in the future videos.